We live in a constant rush. Today's society puts such an emphasis on being busy and successful that we tend to occupy every waking minute of our day with constant activity in an attempt to be productive. But this means we oftentimes neglect other essential aspects of our life, like our health. What do you do when you don't have time to cook a meal from scratch using fresh, organic ingredients? You turn to the quicker alternatives, like pre-made meals, packaged snacks, or, if you're still trying to eat healthy, canned fruits and vegetables that have already been cooked and sapped of their nutritional value. This may trick us into thinking that we're still eating healthy, because technically they're still fruits and vegetables, right? Wrong. Canned vegetables can have so many negative properties that it would be better not to eat them at all. BPA, or bisphenol A, is a chemical used in the manufacturing of the aluminum food cans we buy at the grocery store, and it can be extremely harmful. It's found in canned vegetables, fruits, soups, juices, and even plastic containers and bottles. It can cause numerous birth and reproductive system defects, as well as cancer. But there are some foods that are more likely to contain higher amounts of this chemical than others, such as canned tomatoes. Why canned tomatoes? It's because of their high acidity levels. Any extremely acidic food will draw more of the BPA from the can into the food than others, presenting more of a health risk. So now that you know, you should stop eating canned tomatoes altogether and give preference to fresh ingredients. If this isn't at all possible, try buying foods that have been packaged in glass jars because these present less of a risk. Specialty food stores or health food stores will carry products like these, and you'll be astonished at how much of a difference it will make in your life. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.